dancing like they just forgot the ground. Hey big storm, they whisper soft, you're only loud 'cause you love the sound. They twirl in lazy spiral lines, chasing sparkles only they can see, painting yellow circles in the wind, half dream, half memory. And the butterflies tell the hurricane, slow down darling, you're missing the sky. They spin like lanterns in the rain, smiling, drifting, barely knowing why. Oh, the hurricane, wild and wide, listens like a child at night to butterflies who never learn the difference between chaos and light. One lands on the storm's trembling edge, as if the world were made of thread and hum. Do you know, she says, we start you sometimes, just a flicker, just a hum, hum, hum. The hurricane shivers, puzzled bright, swallowing clouds with a gentle grin, because no one told it till this day that miracles can spin. And the butterflies tell the hurricane, breathe softer, love, the world is small. They pirouette across the pane, making thunder stumble, making raindrops fall. Oh, the hurricane, fierce and blind, here's a truth it never knew, that tiny wings can shift its mind, and storms can listen too. So if the sky begins to shake and the winds forget their name, watch for yellow fluttering signs, butterflies playing the oldest game, telling storms in secret tones, with laughter blowing through the blue. All power is a borrowed song, and we can dance right there.